Here is an example of a dashboard created in Power BI. Top left section can be used to track data like total customers, total sales orders, total users, or employees. This can be further customized as per the need. Below we have used a map visual of Power BI to depict the global reach of customers, which can be customized as per the requirement. Right top section, we are showing orders which can be filtered using the date slicer above. Currently, they are showing orders of 1 year, which can be further changed to say orders of last 6 months. Here we see that the table below is filtered as per the date selected. On selecting any order, it will show the order items in the table visual below. Left bottom section allows user to view the product sales using a bubble chart. User can select the products they want to see the data for. Right bottom section shows status of orders for a year using a stacked column chart. You can mouse over on individual bar to get the more details about the data. There are many more visuals provided by Power BI which will give you more insight into the data. Thank you.